In this video, I'm going to show you how to send large files on Discord without Nitro. So if we open up Discord application and click on the plus icon in the bottom navigation, click on the upload the file, and if I try uploading a file over 10 megabytes, you won't be able to upload it on Discord. So to do this, and also to go upload a large file, you just need to open up your internet browser, type in WeTransfer, and hit enter. Then click on this top website here, which is wetransfer.com. Now click on add files in the left hand side, and then just go ahead and add the file that you're trying to send. Once your files has been uploaded, scroll down to the bottom and click on these three horizontal dots, click on the create link and select get a link. Now it may send you a verification code to your registered email address. Once you've entered the code, click on verify and send. Now you just have to close out this window, and once the upload is complete, you can just go ahead and click on copy button, and then you can go into Discord and send this link to the person you're trying to send the file to, and then they'll be able to click on this link and download the file directly. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you do find this video helpful, please do leave a like on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.